Investing is like planting a seed. You put your money in, nurture it, and let it grow over time. Instead of getting rich overnight, you build wealth slowly and steadily. If you keep your money in a piggy bank, it stays the same. But if you invest, it can grow, sometimes a lot. Investing means making your money work for you, even while you sleep or study. It's not just for the rich. Anyone with a smartphone and some savings can start. The real difference between saving and investing. Saving is for short-term goals and keeps your money safe, but it doesn't grow. Inflation means your saved money buys less over time. Investing is for long-term goals, like a house, education, or retirement, and helps your money outpace inflation. You're buying a piece of the future, betting on growth and innovation. It's about taking control of your financial future. Investing is a mindset shift, from just protecting your money to actively growing it. Start small, but start early. That's how you build real wealth. Where can you invest? The most popular option is stocks, buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your stock's value rises. Not sure which company to pick? Try ETFs, baskets of many stocks, giving you instant diversification. For example, a Nifty 50 ETF invests in India's top 50 companies. ETFs are safer for beginners because they spread out risk. Then there's crypto, digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto is high risk, high reward, and very volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose in crypto. Stocks offer growth, ETFs offer safety, and crypto offers excitement. Choose based on your comfort with risk. A smart beginner's mix. Start with ETFs. Add a few stocks and maybe a tiny bit of crypto. Diversify to protect yourself. Why bother investing? The answer is compound interest. Your returns earn their own returns, like a snowball growing bigger. For example, investing Rs 10,000 at 12% per year can triple your money in a decade, while a savings account barely grows. Investing also beats inflation, which makes your money worth less each year. If you don't invest, your savings lose value over time. Investing helps you reach big goals, studying abroad, buying a home, or starting a business. Saving alone takes forever. Investing accelerates your journey. Your money becomes an engine for your dreams. It's about building real financial freedom. Investing gives you options and control over your future. Don't let inflation eat your savings. Make your money work for you. Start early, invest regularly, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. That's the real magic of investing. Take charge of your future. Ready to start? First, get your PAN card, Aadhaar, and a bank account. Next, open a demat and trading account with an online broker. Apps like Zerodha or Grow make it easy. Add funds from your bank account. Start small, even a 500 is enough. Don't wait for the perfect time. Building the habit matters more. For your first investment, try a Nifty 50 ETF. Diversified, low cost, and simple. Open your app, search for the ETF, and hit buy. Don't overthink, just get started. Every investor starts with their first step. Celebrate it. You're building your future. Keep learning as you go. Welcome to the world of investing. Investing is easy to start, but success takes discipline. Don't try to time the market. No one can predict the perfect moment. Use SIPs. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't buy out of FOMO or sell in panic. Stay calm during market ups and downs. Investing is a long-term game. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock or asset. Mix ETFs, a few stocks, and maybe a little crypto for safety. Keep learning. Finance changes fast, so stay informed. Be careful who you trust for advice. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Your goal is steady, lifelong wealth, not quick wins. Protect your capital and let compounding work for you. Be patient, consistent, and smart. That's how you become a successful investor.